Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to talk about Condo Control property management software. So first thing that you should do is you just have to open any of our web browser, and then using the search bar, just type out Condo Control property, and then just click on this first website. That's right. Okay, so just click on this one, and then after that, we just have to click on book a demo. Okay, so you can also contact them. Then after clicking on book a demo, just have to put here your full details. Okay, but since we don't have enough time to really request for a demo and wait if they're going to approve it, so what we're going to do here is to talk about this, the important things about this tool. Okay, so let's just go to the product section. So here we have for communication, financial, maintenance, record keeping, security, and resident. So we are going to start with the communication. So here, clear communication, less confusion. So keep your community engaged and informed, share documents, events, and messages with simple online communication tools. Okay. So right here, we have the announcement and bulletins. So get announcements and newsletter to resident in minutes instead of days. Next is the classified. So remove unsightly bulletin boards and allow residents to post classified ads online, monitor and approve ads remotely as they are submitted. Next is discussion forum. So create a safe space for residents to express their opinion, exchange ideas, and collaborate while fostering better communication. Surveys. So stay in the loop, create surveys and gather valuable insights and residents or board members to aid decision making. Next one is the financial. Okay, so here we understand that the financial matters are a top priority. So with Condo Control, you can automate payments and more, spend more time on community building and less time building spreadsheets. So this is the view once you're inside the tool. Okay, here, so stack to track all the tools you need to generate a clear financial picture. So the Condo Control financial tasks are done right the first time and the financial data is easier. So we have here vendor management. So procure and manage all of your vendor relationship with a modern streamlined solution that removes the headaches of juggling multiple tasks all at once. Next, online payments. So collect payments for dues and other fees with a quick and easy online solution that events support and auto pay for recurring charges like rent. Next is remove manual processes and generate your purchase orders online for external vendors and suppliers. Okay, next one we have managed accounting service, a professional grade financial management without the overhead. We're here to give community associations a much needed break from time consuming. And then a holistic accounting solution for managing payments and tracking expenses so residents can view outstanding balances while boards know where their money is. Next one is we have the maintenance. Okay, so efficiently manage service requests and access and real-time updates for field solutions, generate insightful reports for identify community areas needing extra attention. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Okay, so this is the list of view inside the tool. So maintenance requests, so track and manage work orders and service requests from anywhere via mobile phone or desktop computer. So search your data and reports for statuses and get reminders and notifications of new submissions and deadlines. Next one is architectural change requests. Approve requests from residents online. You will be notified when an architectural change request is submitted so that time-sensitive decisions can be made quickly. Okay, next one is preventive maintenance. So organize and keep tabs on all of your maintenance tasks. Create workflows that simplify the process of maintaining detailed and accurate records for every component. Schedule preventive work and assign tasks to staff with the click of a button. Next is we have community assets. So enjoy complete oversight of paid community assets, approve and issue permits for parking online, and set up auto renewals and online payments for premium assets. The next one is the record keeping. Okay, so here you can speed up slow process by storing community data online, review update forms, and documents. So this is how it looks like inside the tool. So here we have reporting, analyze data, make informed decisions that support the best interests of the community. Short-term rentals, implement a system to guide and manage short-term guests. Status certificates, accelerate the delivery status stopper certificates. And for store, make common items like fobs, filters, and locks available to resident. Task tracking, so clear way to determine who is responsible for tracking the assigned tasks. File library, a searchable community database organizes and protect the information. We have violation tracking to track, manage, and resolve violations from a single location. We also have the electronic consent. Okay, next we have e-voting, so collect electronic votes from owners who are unable to cast their votes in person at important meetings. And then we also have the portfolio management to manage our properties from a single dashboard. Okay, so let me just show you this quickly. So this is how it looks like inside the tool. So just to give you an idea. Okay, so next one is the security. To combine security and convenience to create a safer and more harmonious community. So as you can see right here, this is what inside the tool. So we have security shift right here. We have the dates. Okay, so here we have the authorized entry. To track authorized entries to a unit when the owner or resident is not present. Incident reports, to keep official records of exactly what happened and when after an incident has happened. Key tracking, so track all keys being checked in and out using a simple online system. Security logs, to keep all security personnel up to date and operations streamlined. Security patrol, track security guards patrol routes in real time. Visitor parking management, to manage and enforce visitors' parking policies. Package management, to streamline package management and reduce your workload. And lastly, we have the resident. Okay, so for the resident, so here you have your calendar. Okay, so you have your board calendar, general calendar, your maintenance calendar, and your book club. So you have here your schedule. So for the event calendar, create and track community events in centralized location. Easily approve, track, and manage amenity booking online with simplicity. And then log and track all packages received at the front desk. And here, residents can pay for and share single-use gas passes using just their smartphones. Now, if you really want to use the Condo Control, it makes managing condo or HOA communities faster and more organized by putting all tasks in one place. It improves communication between residents and managers through easy updates, online payments, and request tracking. Plus, it saves time and reduces paperwork, making community management more efficient and stress-free. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.